So this is a picture showing the gram-stained smear of pus. Here you can see the pus cells, and these are the gram-positive cocci, spherical gram-positive cocci arranged in chains. Okay. This is a picture showing the gram-stain image of a gram-positive cocci arranged in chains. You can see gram-positive cocci arranged in chains again here. Okay. So first is direct smear microscopy, that is gram-stain. Second is culture. So the specimens which were collected or inoculated onto various media, various appropriate media, and incubated overnight at 37 degrees Celsius aerobically in presence of 5 to 10% CO2. So since Streptococcus pyogenes is fastidious organism, so it doesn't grow on a simple media like a meconic agar and basal media like nutrient agar or any peptone water broth. So it grows only in media which is enriched with blood, serum or carbohydrates. And this is a fastidious organism. It needs special media for their growth. Okay. So blood agar, in blood agar the colonies are pinpoint. So this is the key identification. Okay, the pinpoint colony. Pinpoint colonies, that is of size 0.5 to 1 millimeter. So the first is direct microscopy, that is gram staining. Next is culture. So the specimens whichever are collected or inoculated on various appropriate media and incubated overnight at 37 degrees Celsius aerobically in presence of 5 to 10% CO2. Okay, since Streptococcus pyogenes is a fastidious organism, this doesn't grow on a simple media like meconic agar and nutrient agar or peptone water broth. So it needs special media enriched with blood, serum or carbohydrate. So it grows only in a enriched media. In blood agar, the colonies are very small, that is pinpoint. Okay, this is a keyword. So pinpoint colonies, that is 0.5 to 1 millimeter size with a wide zone of beta hemolysis. So one difference is like in Streptococcus, the colonies are pinpoint colonies with wide zone of beta hemolysis, whereas in Staphylococcus aureus the colonies are bigger with a narrow zone of hemolysis. Okay, just opposite of this. So you can easily remember in that way. So pinpoint colony with wide zone of hemolysis. Selective media such as crystal violet blood agar can be used, which selectively allows the growth of Streptococcus pyogenes. So this is a picture showing blood agar. Okay, culture on a blood agar. The colonies are pinpoint colonies. Okay, with a wide zone of hemolysis. You can see the wide zone of hemolysis. Okay, and here this Streptococcus pyogenes. Okay, this is sensitive to bacitracin. So here you can see the zone of inhibition can be seen around the disc of bacitracin, which is one of the key identification feature of group A Streptococcus. Okay, so this is a beta hemolytic streptococci which is sensitive to bacitracin, is suggestive of group A Streptococcus. So culture smear microscopy, so the gram stained smear from the colonies from the blood agar show gram positive spherical cocci of size 0.5 to 1 micron size arranged in chains, and hanging drop reveals non-motile cocci. And biochemical test for identification. We all know that Streptococcaceae family or cattle is negative. So Streptococci are cattle negative, and this is the only test that differentiate. This is a test, the main test that differentiate the Streptococci from the Staphylococci, which are cattle positive. Okay, and bacitracin sensitivity testing. Here group A Streptococcus is sensitive to bacitracin, that is 0.04 unit disc. So disc strength is 0.04 unit. So the group A Streptococcus is sensitive to bacitracin. So any zone of inhibition which is seen around the disc is considered as a positive test. But most of the other beta hemolytic streptococci are resistant to bacitracin. So this is one identification test. Okay, so in this way we can differentiate it from other beta hemolytic streptococci. So hence it can be used as a rapid diagnostic test for group A Streptococcus, which is Streptococcus pyogenes.